Hey guys, so today I thought I'd make a short little what I eat in a day, except an exam season version because it is currently end of semester exam season for university students. At least for me, I know some universities may have it differently. I think diets can become quite unique during exam season.
So today for breakfast I made myself a bowl of cereal, Cheerios to be precise. I like cereal for breakfast because it's quick, it's easy, whack it in a bowl, gets the job done. Especially during exam season when you're not really wanting to worry about what to have. I personally like to have the green top or semi-skimmed milk, mainly because it's what I've had the most growing up, so I'm quite used to it. So for lunch I like to have sandwiches. These can be low maintenance ones such as Marmite and cheese or peanut butter, but because today was a particularly long and tiring day, I went all out and went for a vegan, meat-free, plant-based burger. I'm a fan of soy linseed bread, or basically any seeded bread, because I feel it is a bit more filling and has a nicer texture in my opinion. Now you can shallow fry these burgers in a frying pan, however today I felt like something a bit quicker, and so I decided to oven cook them because that takes less time. Only downsides that you've got to flip them over halfway through, and that can be kind of time consuming when you've got an oven that's prone to setting the fire alarm off. I do refrigerate my bread because it lasts longer, and I only really have toasted bread, so it heats up pretty quick and doesn't feel cold. One of the many perks of student accommodation, you've got to flip over the bread halfway through just so it, toasts on both sides. I personally don't butter my toast for my sandwiches, and I like to have it just lightly toasted, and I like to use various condiments, usually ketchup, mayonnaise, or a variation of mayonnaise such as mustard mayo. I like to have a little something on the side, so today I treated myself to some healthy walnuts. Walnuts are brain food, guys. Couldn't be a more perfect lunch for exam season. Today I felt like a little something to wash down the burger with. I'd usually just have water with lunch, but today I had some blackcurrant squash. Arguably had too much in that glass, but you know what? It was great. I also got a bit peckish in the mid-afternoon, so as a revision break I had some crisps and watched some YouTube. Now I happened to film this on a day when a pizza that was going out of date needed eating, so for dinner I decided to oven cook myself a store-bought pizza. Now usually I'd cut the pizza in half and save a portion for the next day, however today was quite low energy and I decided to just have the whole thing. In the evenings I do enjoy making myself a nice warm cup of tea. I usually spend some time with my flat. I feel that this is a nice way to sort of relax at the end of the day after some serious revision. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel for more, and please share this video with your friends. Check out some of my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and until next time.